Hey guys, well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. I'm Angela Carson. I'm currently in Islamabad in what is the tail end and exodus from my first ever apartment here in Pakistan that I actually rented. I lived here for a year, but I stayed in hotels. Anyway, I am relocating down to Karachi. And I posted, it came up really quickly, like Friday 3:30. My landlord said, Angela, I found some tenants. They'd really like to move in. Any chance you can be out on Sunday? I wasn't supposed to move for like 15 more days. And I posted quickly on social media, hey, I need to relocate. I need a moving company quickly. Everyone in the comment section said, move it. And I guess they were tagged so many times, Moveit actually saw my post, and then the co-founder saw my post. And so anyway, today is Sunday. I literally got in touch with them about like 7 p.m. on Friday. So here's what is happening so far. We have basically, well, I'm using the word we in a very loose term. This extremely professional and skilled set team came in today and has packed up my entire apartment. Now, I'm a minimalist and I didn't have a lot to begin with, and I'd given a bunch away. But the things I wanted to take down to Karachi to my new apartment, they've packed up in the span of about 3-ish hours. I'll tell you more when I get to Karachi, but basically they pack you up, well, I need them to store things for several days as well because I don't move into my new place for about a week or maybe 5 days. And then when it arrives in Karachi, they deliver everything, but then they also unpack everything and put it wherever I ask them to. So it's amazing. I've been completely impressed by the service so far. I will keep you posted as things move along. I'll chime in if I need to, and I'll show you what everything looks like in Karachi once I'm down at my new place. Okay, well, that was definitely an adventure. I am not fully moved in anywhere else except sort of the sofa. And then this is the guest bedroom, which is where I'll live until the curtains are installed and I can properly move into the master bedroom, which doesn't have electricity at the moment either. So this is the right spot for me. I had the best experience with Moveit. It ended up taking me a really long time to finally find an apartment here in Karachi and move it for over 3 weeks. They stored my belongings in Islamabad. It costs, I guess it depends on how much you have, but I can tell you, for me, it was 800 rupees per day. I'm just one person and I didn't have a whole apartment being held. But they do have very reasonable daily rates for storage, and you know it's safe. This was the least stressful part of my entire move. So I want to send a big thank you to the teams both in Islamabad and here in Karachi. They unpacked for me. It has been really stressful with a lot of drama over my apartment, but Moveit was not part of my stress. So I'm going to see if I can get some kind of link that you can use to get a discount. I've asked the company if that's something they'll provide, so fingers crossed. I wish you all the best in your relocation. I hope you can find a company if you don't live in Pakistan as good as Moveit, or if you are in Pakistan, definitely use Moveit. All right, ciao guys, see you in the next video.